Fear no mirror. Know you always look your best. Get rid of stubborn fat without surgery or downtime. Love handles. Muffin tops. Areas that have unwanted fat. No crash dieting. No extreme exercising. It's cool. Sculpting. The clinically proven non-surgical procedure that literally freezes away stubborn fat without any damage to your skin. Because fat cells are more vulnerable to cooling than the surrounding tissue, by delivering controlled cooling to an area, we can induce fat cell elimination naturally over time. As a non-surgical procedure, CoolSculpting is the perfect fit for people who would normally not consider cosmetic surgery or don't want the associated downtime and risks. CoolSculpting creates satisfied patients.
I like to wear fitted shirts, and now I can.
So yes, I'm very happy with the way I look and have a lot more confidence now.
CoolSculpting is an easy, same-day procedure. Patients can just read, check email, or relax. Best of all, there's no downtime, so you can immediately get back to your daily activities.
It did wonders for my confidence.
CoolSculpting treats virtually any area of the body that needs help. Stomach, waistline, flank, inner thigh, outer thigh. It's more than a treatment. It's a transformation. Best of all, CoolSculpting results are long-term. Once the fat is gone, it's gone for good. Now that's really cool. CoolSculpting by Zeltique. During your appointment, please ask if CoolSculpting is right for you.